Hey there, future programmers. Want to learn one of the world's most popular programming languages? And want to do it from anywhere using just your phone? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of Python on mobile. Python is like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. It can build websites, analyze data, and even power robots. And guess what? You can learn and use Python right on your phone or tablet. In this easy guide, we'll explore how to unlock the power of Python on your mobile device. Get ready to code on the go. So, why is Python such a big deal? First off, it's super beginner-friendly. Python's syntax, the way code is written, is very close to plain English. This makes it easy to understand and write. Python is also incredibly versatile. Want to build a game? Python can do it. How about creating a website? Python's got your back. Its huge community and tons of libraries, pre-built code modules, make it a breeze to learn and use. Plus, Python is in high demand. Learning Python can open doors to exciting career opportunities in fields like web development, data science, and machine learning. Coding on your phone or tablet might sound strange at first, but it has some awesome advantages. For starters, it's super convenient. You can practice coding during your commute, on a lunch break, or even while waiting in line. Mobile coding is also a great way to reinforce what you learn. Instead of just reading about Python, you can type out code, run it, and see the results instantly, all on your phone. And hey, it's just plain fun. Coding on a device you're familiar with makes the learning process a lot more engaging. Ready to get started? Awesome! You won't need a fancy computer or expensive software. All you really need is your mobile device and a few free apps. There are several great apps available for running Python on both Android and iOS devices. One of the most popular and beginner-friendly options is PyDroid 3. PyDroid 3 is a full-fledged Python IDE, integrated development environment for Android. Don't worry if that sounds complicated. It just means it's a single app where you can write, run, and debug your Python code. Section 5, PyDroid 3, your Python pal. PyDroid 3 is packed with features that make coding on your phone a breeze. It has a built-in code editor with syntax highlighting, which colors different parts of your code to make it easier to read, a Python interpreter to run your code, and even a package manager to install additional libraries. Don't have an Android device? No worries. iOS users can check out Pythonista, another excellent mobile Python IDE. It offers a similar set of features and is a great alternative for iPhone and iPad users. Once you've chosen your app, you're ready to set up your mobile Python playground. Section 6. Setting up your mobile Python playground. Setting up PyDroid 3 or your chosen app is super easy. Simply head over to the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Search for the app and download it. Once the app is installed, open it up. You should see a screen that looks like a text editor. This is where you'll write your Python code. Congratulations! You've just created your very own mobile Python coding environment. It's time to write your first script. Section 7, your first mobile Python script. Let's start with a classic, the Hello World program. In the PyDroid 3 editor, type the following line of code, Python print, Hello World. This simple line of code tells Python to display the text, Hello World, on the screen. To run your code, tap the play button. It usually looks like a triangle within the app. If everything went well, you should see the words, Hello World, displayed below the code editor. You've just executed your first Python program on your mobile device. Section 8, Python on the go examples. Now that you've got the hang of it, let's try some more interesting examples. Here's a simple program to calculate the area of a rectangle. Python length equals 5 width equals 10 area equals length times width print. The area of the rectangle is area. This program first defines two variables, length and width, and assigns them values. Then, it calculates the area by multiplying the length and width. Finally, it prints the result. You can experiment with different values for length and width to see how the output changes. This simple example demonstrates how Python can be used for basic math operations. Section 9. Conclusion, start coding anywhere. Congratulations, you've taken your first steps into the world of Python programming on mobile. Remember, the key to learning is practice. Don't be afraid to experiment with different code examples, explore new libraries and build your own simple projects. With Python in your pocket you can code anytime, anywhere. So go out there, have fun and unleash your inner programmer.